Okay people, another thing's got in the way of the barbecue build. Ducks. So we got these 3 ducks. We're now going to get 3 eggs. The cost of the ducks and the build, we should have 3 eggs in about 4 years. So this is underneath the kids' climbing frame. I've already chicken wired the back in there, dug a little trench under the chicken wire and cemented it down at the bottom. So now nothing like rats or anything can tunnel in underneath. Alright, so it's a nice big area. This actually measures 6 square meters, and every duck just needs 1 square meter. So double what they need. Right, started boarding this in using every scrap bit of ply in the street. I'm getting donations from neighbours on this. I think they might want some eggs. Now, this is where our entry point to the ducks' permanent outside area is going to be. We are going to let them run around the garden under supervision. So we need to build a door and frame this bit out. Let's get going on the door, shall we? So I've already measured. I want 2 bits 104 centimetres and 2 bits 70 centimetres. In American, that is... Okay, once the wood's cut, I have gone round and pre-drilled the holes. The screws will fit in and they won't split the wood. So I'm just starting the screws off everywhere. Bit of glue. And then remember that nice pagoda I built? Well, that post is bolted down to concrete. So I'm going to use that as my fixed solid point to push against whilst I screw the screws in. Right. So until it's assembled in its rectangular shape, I'm only putting 1 screw and end in. I will be doubling up in a minute. Same again. Line it up. You can't really go too far wrong building it like this because you've got 2 bits of wood the same length and another 2 bits of wood the same length. So it should come out nice and rectangular. We'll check it now though. Measure from corner to corner, diagonal. That one is 137.5 or that's 54.25 inches. On 37.5, 54 inches, so quarter inches. So put the other screws in, that's now square. So now we know it's square, we can double up on the screws and make it nice and secure. And this next simple procedure is going to make sure it stays square for its entire life. Alright, a little bit bigger. Leave the pencil lines on. By leaving the pencil lines on when you cut ensures a nice tight fit, and you can always nibble a little bit off if you have to. You can't add a bit on if you cut it too short. Again, this is getting glued and it's getting 2 screws, one in each side to hold it in place. Super strong. Okay, I've screwed the mesh on. It's now time to trim it all the way round. Now the way I fix this on is with normal screws and things called cup washers. I shall insert a picture here. So I fix the other 2 sides beforehand. Once this is all trimmed, I will go around and use the screws and cup washers and fix the other 2 sides that I've now cut. Right, lovely. Inevitably, there are some bits sticking up, so I'm just going to go around and tap those down with a hammer. I find it's the easiest way. Right, now just got to put that door into place and fix it on by the hinges. Nice and simple because we know it fits. There we are, nice and simple, fits absolutely lovely. All we've got to do now is add some wire mesh to the left of it. Oh, job done. And again, fix the bottom using concrete. Nothing can tunnel in and the ducks can't get out. Duck safety, ultimate importance. Because I like my eggs. Right, had another donation, a lovely lump of ply. Look, under there. That's finished that side off. And I've managed to chicken wire the rest. So that is all done now. Nice and secure. I'll put a couple of slabs there for us to stand on as we go through because ducks are very messy and they're going to make mud everywhere. So we're down to the last few jobs now. I have dug a 2-foot deep hole in this corner, filled it with stone so there is a nice soak away. Got to level the soil off inside. Got to build 2 ramps and a door for the other end. But that will be coming up in next week's video. I'm only one man. I can only do so much. Please like and subscribe if you did indeed like it. There is a button for that. And I will see you back here next week when I finish this off. Thanks very much for watching all the way through. Bye for now.